Good morning, students. I am Shivraj Singh. In this class, I will explain you the chapter first of class 9th English book. Before starting the chapter, let me understand about what the writer has written in this chapter. So, the writer has discussed about the present form of school and future form of school. Mainly, he is discussing about the school, that what form of school will be in the future, how will they run. In the present scenario, during the pandemic, you can see that you are at home and you are studying with the help of mobile or computer, right? But after some time, after this pandemic has ended, you will again come to school and you will study. There will be your teachers and there will be everything available in physical form, like for sitting there will be desk, and to study you will have books, like that. But in future time, as you know that this is going to be changed. In future time you will not have teachers in physical form, like man will not be a teacher. Instead of man or woman, there will be only machines. You will have to study with the help of computers or robots, right? You can see in this picture given in the page, here you can see how the schools will be in the future time. Look here carefully. Schools of the future. In the center it is given schools of the future. First type of school is learning through computers. Second type of school, virtual classroom. Virtual classroom means the classroom which is actually not available, but it will look like a classroom, right? That is called virtual classroom. Third type of classroom will be where there will be a robot who will be teaching you, like a teacher who are teaching in the schools. In the same way, fourth type of school or fourth type of means of education which you will have, that will be moving text. Moving text means when you watch TV or in computer, then you can see various types of text moving on the screen. That is called moving text, right? So this will be the form of school in the future time. So the author has discussed about the same on this chapter. So let us start the chapter. It is beginning from here with the statement written in the diary of a girl, Margie, who is 11 years old. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. This is the date of future time. What year is running now? Today this is 2020, but this year is of approximately 150 years after. This will be future time, right? So this is the diary of Margie, in which she writes, today Tommy found a real book. Because in future time we will not have the books as we have today. We are studying today with the help of books which is printed on the paper, but in future time we will not have any book like this. Instead we will have mobiles, computers, robots, everything. Digital form of book will be available in the future time, and the book which is at present it is available nowadays, this will become an imaginary thing, because no one will see this kind of book generally, right? So this text is about the future time. Suppose you have not a real book, you have everything in the computer, right? At that time, if you find any real book like today's book, then you will think that this is very strange, because you will not be habitual of using the book printed on papers. Instead, you will be habitual for using computers, mobiles, and other types of digital book, right? It was a very old book. Which old book? About which Margie has written in her diary. In her diary, she has written, "Today Tommy found a real book." Tommy was a boy. He found a real book, like the book like we are studying nowadays, the book which is printed on the paper, right? That is called the real book. So Tommy found a real book. This line was mentioned in the diary of Margie in the year 2157 on 17th May, right? So it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all were printed on the paper. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, when the grandfather of Margie was a little boy, his grandfather told him, the grandfather of Margie's grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. It means you can understand that after 50 or 100 years, we will not have any type of printed book. Instead, we will have digital book. So, author has imagined here to tell you the story of Margie and Tommy, how they react on a real book, right? उनके पास उस टाइम पे बुक नहीं होगी, जिस तरह की बुक हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं अभी, इस तरह की बुक फ्यूचर टाइम में नहीं रहेंगी. फ्यूचर टाइम में क्या रहेगा हमारे पास? सिर्फ कंप्यूटर रहेगा, टेलीविज़न रहेगा, और हमें पढ़ाने के लिए ह्यूमन फॉर्म में कोई नहीं रहेगा. मशीन्स रहेंगी, रोबोट्स रहेंगे जिनकी हेल्प से हम पढ़ेंगे. और ऐसा ही टॉमी और मैगी के साथ है. टॉमी और मैगी के पास जो टीचर्स हैं, वो टीचर एक्चुअली ह्यूमन नहीं हैं, बल्कि वो मशीन हैं, राइट? सो मशीन से वो लोग पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन जब उन्हें एक रियल बुक मिलती है, जैसे आज के समय में हम लोग रियल बुक से पढ़ते हैं, जो बुक पेपर पे प्रिंट होती हैं, उन बुक से हम स्टडी करते हैं. तो ऐसी बुक को जब वो पाते हैं तो उन्हें बड़ा सरप्राइज़ होता है. और मार्गी अपने डायरी में राइट करती है कि टॉमी को एक रियल बुक मिली. और इसके अलावा मार्गी बताती है कि हमारे ग्रैंडफादर ने हमारे ग्रैंडफादर से बताया था कि कभी ऐसा भी टाइम था जब सभी स्टोरीज़ पेपर पे प्रिंट की जाती थी, है ना, प्रिंटेड ऑन पेपर. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinky. The meaning of crinky is given here. Crinky means with many folds or lines. So those books which are used nowadays are in various colors like yellow, red, green, violet, every types of color is there. So that book looks very strange in the future time, and they say that book which Tommy had found, that was looking yellow and crinky, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood all instead of moving the way they were supposed to. The books which were available in the past time were in various colors, but there was a problem with that kind of book, is that they had only still text. They were not moving the way in which they move on the screen. They are not moving. This discussion is being made by Margie and टॉमी और मार्गी दोनों जब उस बुक के पेज को टर्न करते हैं तो देखते हैं कि कुछ येलो कलर के हैं, कुछ और बुक के जो पेज हैं वो क्रिंकी हैं, मतलब उसमें कई सारे फोल्ड पड़े हुए हैं, बहुत सारी लाइंस हैं। क्योंकि ये बहुत ओल्ड बुक थी तो उनके लिए बड़ी फ़नी लग रही थी, क्योंकि उनके समय पे इस तरह की कोई बुक प्रिंट होती नहीं है, और जब वो इस तरह की बुक पाते हैं तो बड़ा ही स्ट्रेंज फील होता है उनको कि ऐसी भी बुक हुआ करती थी, पहले के लोग कैसे पढ़ते रहे होंगे, ये ऐसा वो लोग सोचते हैं। क्योंकि वो लोग कंप्यूटर से पढ़ते हैं, उनके लिए रोबोट्स होते हैं, तो एवरीथिंग लुक्स मूविंग ऑन द स्क्रीन, इवन टेक्स्ट भी मूव करता रहता है, तो उन्हें लगता है कि स्टिल टेक्स्ट जो पहले की बुक में प्रिंट होते रहे हैं उन्हें लोग कैसे पढ़ पाते रहे होंगे। ये बहुत ही फ़नी लग रहा था उन लोगों को, है ना। इट हैड द सेम वर्ड ऑन इट, इट हैड द सेम वर्ड ऑन इट दैट इट हैड इवन दे रेड इट द फर्स्ट टाइम। जैसा उन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम पे रीड किया था, सेम टू सेम उसी तरह का वर्ड उन्हें फिर से मिलता है। क्योंकि आप बुक को जब टर्न करोगे और पीछे पेजेस पे जाओगे तो जो पेज आपने पढ़ा है और जिस तरह से पढ़ा है वो उसी तरह से रहेगा, क्योंकि ये पेपर है, पेपर में कुछ चेंज तो होगा नहीं। जिस पेज पे जो प्रिंट है वही रहेगा, आप चाहे उसको 1000 बार ही क्यों ना टर्न करें। तो वो लोग भी ऐसा ही करते हैं, टर्न करते हैं। जब उन्हें सेम चीज़ें मिलती हैं वापस टर्न करने पर भी, तो उन्हें लगता है कि ये तो बहुत ही फ़नी है और बहुत बोरिंग है, क्योंकि इसमें हर बार सेम चीज़ें मिलती हैं। सो लेट अस मूव टू नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। गी सेड टॉमी, what a waste, when you are through with the book you just throw it away. Once you have completed the book you will throw it away, because there is nothing new in the book. Every time you will get the same thing on the pages. I guess, he says that I guess that people would have thrown it away. इस तरह की बुक तो एक बार पढ़ के लोग फेंक देते होंगे, ऐसा मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि इसमें नया कुछ भी नहीं आता। Our television screen must have had a million books on it and it is good for plenty more. In our television book there are many books stored, and on the same screen we can see the different types of text, different pictures, videos and everything. So they are very good, and plenty more books can also be installed on the same television book, because there is a lot of memory space left, so you can store many other books also. I would not throw it away. अब वो लोग आपस में ये डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं कि ये जो पहले वाली बुक थी उसमें तो सिर्फ एक बार जो राइट कर दिया तो कर दिया, उसके अलावा उसमें नया कुछ भी राइट नहीं हो सकता। हम जब भी उनके पेजेस को टर्न करते हैं तो एवरी टाइम हम सेम टेक्स्ट हमें मिलता है, और इसमें नया कुछ आ नहीं सकता, इसलिए एक बार रीड करने के बाद लोग इसको थ्रो कर देते रहे होंगे। लेकिन हमारे पास जो टेलीविज़न बुक्स हैं, वो टेलीविज़न बुक्स उसमें तो बहुत सारे पेजेस आ जाते हैं, सेम स्क्रीन पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट काइंड के टेक्स्ट आते हैं, मूविंग टेक्स्ट होते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज़ डायनेमिक, राइट। और हमारे टेलीविज़न बुक में और भी इतना स्पेस है कि हम थाउजेंड्स ऑफ बुक्स को स्टोर कर सकते हैं, न्यू बुक्स को, इसलिए हम अपनी बुक को थ्रो अवे नहीं करेंगे। सेम विद माइन सेड मार्गी, मार्गी कहती है कि हाँ हम भी थ्रो नहीं करेंगे, हमारी बुक भी अच्छी है। शी वॉज 11 एंड हैड नॉट सीन एज मैनी टेली बुक्स एज टॉमी हैड। मार्गी 11 ईयर्स ओल्ड होती है। शी हैड नॉट सीन सो मैनी बुक्स as much Tommy had, as many Tommy had seen, because Tommy was 13-year-old. She said, "Where did you find it?" Margie asked Tommy that where did you find this real book? So Tommy, without pointing and without looking towards Margie, says, "In my house in the attic. I found this book in my house in the attic." Attic means a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. This is the meaning of attic, right? So he said that I have found this book in my home in the attic. And then again Margie asked, "What is it about?" It means what is written in the book. So Tommy replied, "It is about school." स्कूल के बारे में इस बुक में राइट किया गया है। Margie was scornful. She was hateful because she did not like the school. So she asked, "School, where is what is there to write about school? I hate school." स्कूल के बारे में क्या राइट किया होगा इसमें? स्कूल तो बहुत बेकार चीज़ होती है। आई हेट स्कूल। मार्गी ऑलवेज हेटेड स्कूल बट नाउ शी हेटेड इट मोर देन एवर। मार्गी को स्कूल अच्छा नहीं लगता। शी हेट्स स्कूल बिकॉज हर स्कूल is just beside her bedroom, and there is a teacher which is actually a robot. The mathematical teacher, sorry, it is mechanical. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. Actually, the teacher who was appointed for Margie, that was not a man, but actually it is a mechanical teacher. It was a machine which was teaching. So it was giving test after test to Margie, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. When mechanical teacher was giving test after test to Margie, so Margie was unable to do it correctly. She was making many mistakes. That time the mother of Margie realized that the machine is not working properly, so she called county inspector. County inspector, it is actually the mechanic who repairs the mechanical teacher, the robot. So she sends for means she calls county inspector to repair the machine. Next para. He was a round little man with a red face. Who is that? That was county inspector. He was a little man. His height was not very good. His face was red, and a whole box of tools with dials and wires These are the tools with which he came to repair the machine. Actually, this is the teacher of Margie. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. वो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर आया जो रिपेयर करने के लिए आया था मार्गी के टीचर को. मार्गी का टीचर वो मशीन थी, तो उसको रिपेयर करने के लिए आया. उसने मार्गी को एक एप्पल दिया और वो टीचर को वहाँ से ले गया रिपेयर करने के लिए. मार्गी हैड hoped he would not know how to put it together again. Margie thought that this county inspector cannot repair my teacher, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. But after an hour, county inspector repaired the machine, the teacher of Margie, and he gave it back. Large and black, ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. This line actually has been told for the machine which was teaching Margie. Large and black. This was a machine. Machine was large and black. It was ugly with a big screen. There was a big screen on the machine on which all the lessons were shown, whatever Margie had to study, and the questions were asked. सब कुछ उस मशीन में होता था. वो मशीन क्वेश्चन भी पूछती थी और वो मशीन उसको टीचिंग भी करती थी. That was not so bad. The part Maggie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework. Actually वो इतना बेकार भी नहीं था. सब कुछ उसमें आता था, सब कुछ उसमें बताता भी था. बट एक्चुअली मार्गी को सबसे ज़्यादा जो ख़राब लगता था उस मशीन में वो था द स्लॉट वेयर शी हैड टू पुट होमवर्क. जहाँ पे उसको होमवर्क चेक करवाना था वो वाला स्लॉट. यानी मार्गी अपना होमवर्क करती थी और अपने होमवर्क को होमवर्क वाले स्लॉट में उसी मशीन में डाल देती थी, तो वो ऑटोमेटिक चेक कर देता था. मार्गी को वही वाला स्लॉट सबसे ख़राब लगता था उस टीचर में. एंड शी always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. When Margie was 6 years old, she had to do the homework in a punch code. This is a special kind of code, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. मार्गी को तो बहुत सारा टाइम लगता था होमवर्क करने में, लेकिन वो जैसे ही मशीन में अपना होमवर्क इंसर्ट करती थी वो इमीडिएटली 1 और 2 सेकंड में चेक करके उसके मार्क्स कैलकुलेट करके दे देता था. मार्गी को ये बहुत ही बेकार लगता था बिकॉज शी थॉट दैट आई वर्क फॉर मैनी आवर्स एंड इट चेक्स इन नो टाइम. सो उसको ये मशीन अच्छी नहीं लगती थी. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault." Inspector, when he came back with the machine repaired, he smiled at Maggie and he said to her mother that this is not the fault of Maggie. If she was doing mistakes in the work, in the calculation, it was not her mistake. Actually it was the mistake of the machine, the teacher. Mrs. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Geography sector was working a little fast. Too quick is fast. In fast, with fast speed it was working. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. The county inspector said to the mother of Margie that I have set the machine. Now it will work properly. I have set with the level of children who can easily understand. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Whatever Maggie has done, her work is quite satisfactory. This was not the fault of Margie, but it was the fault of machine. And he patted Margie's head again, and later he went away. So this way he repairs the machine of Margie, and he said that this was not the mistake of Margie. If she was unable to do the work properly, it was the fault of teacher, the machine.